longer in effect. Snow accumulation of 6 to 12 inches. Snow will develop across the area tonight. Snow will become heavy at times Sunday afternoon and evening. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibilities and snow accumulations. Remember, a winter storm warning means severe winter weather conditions are imminent or highly likely. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of information for the latest updates. Additional details can also be found at www.weather